During the European session, investors were estimating the reports from the IHS Markit. First thing first, investors took notice of data on Germany's manufacturing PMI. The final score was slightly higher than the flash estimate, reaching the level of 42.1. Analysts expected the indicator to match the flash estimate. So the index is slightly up, surpassing the expectations and its previous value. However, the indicator still remains well below the 50 level, signaling a rate of contraction. The single currency was unable to hold on its highs despite strong data from France, Germany and the eurozone. Against the background of a weak greenback, the euro-dollar pair was trading above the level of 1.1160. The pair may stop its downward trend, rising in the short term if the US and China sign the first phase of a trade agreement and pass to the second phase. Meanwhile, the UK cannot boast of positive macroeconomic data. At the end of October, the construction sector saw a sharper decline as economists forecast. The PMI index was seen at 44.2 points, while analysts expected the indicator to grow to 44.3 points. However, it was higher than its value of 43.3 in September. The pound-dollar pair headed down to the level of 1.2920 amid such macroeconomic background. During the European session, data on the Centix Investor Sentiment Index will be published. Christine Lagarde's speech as the new head of the ECB will be the highlight of the day. We continue to keep close tabs on market developments. Stay tuned.